shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $17 going 8 miles, 4 items.
Oh yeah, thrilling.
Next order up, we've got a kitchen table cafe. This one is going 6 miles. Yes, thank you. That one was a really quick order, so it only ended up being around $6.50. Next order up, we have a flour pickup from Safeway. This one's going 8 miles. This one?
Thank you.
Thank you. Why do I feel like I need more information for this drop-off that I do not have? I don't know where I'm supposed to be. I guess we're getting out and walking because all these signs on these buildings are made for ants. That is not it either. Okay. Guess we were not as close as I thought we were.
Your destination is on the right.
Is that right? That number is nowhere to be found over here, actually. 107. This way, maybe? It's gotta be over here then. Even numbers only. Okay. I'm gonna start panicking soon. Even numbers only. Why are these buildings even numbers only? How does that make any sense at all? Okay, the GPS is literally taking me over here. And pretty sure it's not over here.
Oh, somebody's getting other steak flowers.
Eventually, I'm so lost.
Oh, where do you need to go? This is building I. You said you just came from there over there on that side?
I parked like on the other side of this building and I've been walking like this way.
No.
Yeah, I'm
oh no.
so lost. Wiping my hands of that issue. Not my problem anymore. And we got the next order. This is gonna be Seize the Bagel going 2.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I basically just babysat those flowers, took them on a little joyride and a walk, and I got paid like $17 and change for that, plus whatever the return pay was. They didn't show me that. I think that comes at the end of my shift. Total ended up being $5 and change for that one. Not great, but at least it was a normal order, right? Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A going 6 miles. Close enough. Yeah. Thank you. Hello. Oh, for LaDonna?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one ended up being $9. Not bad, actually. Next order up, we have a McDonald's. This is going to be $7 and change, going less than 2 miles. Now, why would you want to meet me at the door? Please explain. Next order up, we've got a Champ Pizza going just under 4 miles. Gotcha.
He's like to slide around. Make sure you watch him.
Thank you. for that one ended up being $7 and change, and we got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going 5 miles. I don't know what's going on today, but there are so many street lights out. It's insane. I don't want to say it's every other street, but like, might as well be at this point.
You have the address, I can show you which store it is. Yeah, that's the one just a little bit further down that way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. That is not good. Thank you. Totally didn't see and hear you open and shut that door to see if I was there already. Total for that ended up being $7 and change. We've got a stack, looks like going to the same person. We have Gravity Coffee and IHOP going just under 9 miles.
Sorry about that. Wait.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Only 11 minutes past the DoorDash expected pickup time. On to the next one. Thank you. Total ended up being $24 for that one, and it took me 41 minutes, so I guess that was pretty good, yeah? Regardless, I'm gonna call it here. So much went wrong, so many mistakes. I'm just over it, to be honest. Current time is 10:57. Total, we are at 98. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.